Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing how to improve new product launch efficiency by creating series templates for outsourced Douyin e-commerce content. This is a real problem many Douyin merchants inevitably encounter after creating more and more content and launching new products at an increasingly rapid pace. Because the reality is often, new products keep launching, content keeps being created, but design becomes increasingly slow. It's not that outsourcing isn't working hard, but rather, every piece of content is starting from scratch. First, the conclusion. Improving the efficiency of Douyin content doesn't rely on creating more, but on series templates. Many people worry about templates. Will they all be repetitive? Will they be throttled by the platform? But truly mature Douyin e-commerce businesses almost all use the same thing, turning a workable structure into a reusable series of templates. Note the key point. What's being reused is the logic, not the visuals. 2. Why will new product launches inevitably become slower if you don't use series templates? Because you're repeatedly wasting time on these three things. 1. Thinking about how to block people in the first frame every time. 2. Deciding how to place the selling points every time. 3. Re-explaining what this version is trying to achieve every time. These aren't content creation, but rather repetitive decision-making costs. The significance of a series of templates is to fix these decisions once and for all. 3. What exactly is a series of templates? It's not as simple as changing the background. Many outsourcing companies understand templates as the same layout, changed images, changed text, changed colors. This is inefficient and unreliable on Douyin. Truly useful serialized templates should have at least 3 fixed elements. First impression of the structure, information presentation order, division of responsibilities for each frame IV. 3. Most worthwhile serialized templates for Douyin e-commerce materials. You don't need many, just get these 3 types working, and your efficiency will significantly improve. Template 1, direct problem statement type, fastest scaling, fixed structure. First frame, directly state the user's status/problem. Second frame, imply a solution is available. Third frame, product exposure, suitable for functional products, categories with clear user pain points. This type of template is ideal for batch testing of new products. Template 2, comparison and judgment type, reduces hesitation. Fixed structure, first frame, before, after, presence, absence, comparison scene. Second frame, amplified differences. Third frame, quick conclusion, suitable for multiple specifications, products where users easily struggle to choose. The value of this template lies in no need for repeated explanations. Template 3, scenario-based type, stable volume growth. Fixed structure, first frame, real usage scene. Second frame, changes in emotion or experience. Third frame, natural product display, suitable for daily necessities, products that require understanding how to use. This type of template is the least like an advertisement and the most like content. What should be fixed in a series of templates to prevent them from becoming outdated over time? This is the most crucial point. What you need to fix are judgment, logic, information, rhythm, selling point, hierarchy, not fixed copywriting structure, fixed visual style, fixed look of every frame. Templates are the skeleton, not the skin. 6. How can outsourcing teams truly improve efficiency using templates? You can require the following. 1. Templates should be data validated before batch use. Don't start with a template, but rather run 1-2 tests first. Confirm the logic is effective. Then copy and scale up. 2. For each template, clearly define its applicable boundaries. For example, what products is this template suitable for? What situations is it not suitable for? Avoid using the same template for all materials. 3. Templates only allow one variable to change. For example, this time only change selling point scenario expression angle. This way you can quickly know which type of content is effective. 7. Minimum configuration list for a series template. You don't need complex documents, at least have these 4 things. 1 template structure diagram, what each frame does. 2. Explanation of core judgment points. 3. List of variables, which can be changed. 4. Reminder of prohibited items, which should not be changed. Once you have this set, newcomers can quickly get started, and experienced users won't feel tired. Fate. Why are series templates more likely to create best-selling products? Because it brings 3 benefits: rapidly scalable quantity of materials, continuously accumulated data conclusions. Good structures won't be repeatedly overturned. Hit products aren't based on inspiration, but on the repeated use of a correct structure. A piece of truth for merchants anxious about new product launch efficiency. Douyin e-commerce is never about who thinks better. It's about who can repeatedly and correctly apply what they've figured out. When you start using a series of templates, new product launches are no longer a burden, but rather a process of repeated validation and scaling. In short, outsourcing Douyin e-commerce materials, wanting to improve new product launch efficiency with a series of templates. The key is not to create many templates. It's about, first, getting the structure working, then templated replication, using templates to scale up judgment, not scaling up chaos. When templates begin to carry experience, data, and judgment logic, Douyin materials will upgrade from getting slower and slower to getting faster and more stable with each test.